Welcome back to the channel. Looking to keep your lawn or garden green without the hassle of hand watering? In today's video, we will look into above ground sprinkler systems, a simple and affordable solution for homeowners. From oscillating and rotary sprinklers to hose end and portable tripod setups, we will break down the most common type, how they work, and which one might be right for your yard. Whether you are watering a small patch or a full lawn, there's above ground system to fit your needs. Let's take a closer look and welcome to the MG Factor. Did you know that over 98% of people who watch these videos have not subscribed yet? Subscribing is completely free and really helps support the channel. We are in a mission to reach thousands plus subscribers by end of this year. I only post one video a week, so it won't clutter your feed. Just helpful, straightforward tips you can use. If you are enjoying the content, hit that subscribe button and help us grow this DIY community. Thanks for watching. Now let's look at different type of sprinklers that you can use in your garden or your lawn. Orbit impact sprinklers and Rainbird above ground sprinklers are two popular options for efficient lawn and garden watering. Both are great choice for covering large areas and are easy for setup without digging or permanent piping. Some of the key features and the usage. Orbit impact sprinklers are ideal for medium to large lawns. Sprays in a powerful circular pattern. Works well even in areas without low water pressure. Commonly mounted on tripod or spike stands for easy above ground placements. Rainbird above ground sprinklers offers both full and partial circle spray options. Often comes with adjustable rotary nozzles or impact arms. Some models features quick connects hose adapters for convenience. You might need a splitter wherein you can connect multiple hose and the timer to water different section of your lawn. Another great option is the oscillating sprinklers. These are excellent for small areas and has a very nice spray pattern. You can use them in vegetable gardens as well. But in my application, this might be too much for me to move around throughout the lawn. Setting them up above the ground is very easy process. You just need to look into the distance between the sprinklers head. So in my case, I bought a 25-foot hose from my local garden center, and I have connected 3 sprinklers in a straight line pattern, which is spraying into 360-degree rotation and has got a nice coverage. The throw is really. In a moment, I will change the sprinkler head to the Rainbird and see the difference in terms of the spray pattern. This is the Rainbird system, so I have put 3 of them in the same straight line, and they are like flags just for me to have a reminder when I'm doing the lawn mowing so that I don't hit the sprinkle head. In my case, I have realized that the sprinkler head with the Rainbird has more pressure and more coverage distance. So even if I go with 4 sprinkler head, I think that would be good enough without impacting the pressure. While in the impact sprinkler, if you add 3 or more, the pressure reduces. So what I will do probably is I will add 3 more on other side of the driveway and use the splitter and the timer so that I can have Monday, Wednesday and Friday at one side and Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday on the other side of the driveway. So that way I will have a lush green lawn throughout the year and have a better coverage. How to adjust the spray pattern. Use the diffuser screw on the top to break up water and soften spray. Move the trip pin to adjust the arc from partial to a full circle. Rotate collars left and right to set up the spray angle range. In Rainbird, turn the nozzle screw to adjust the distance. Clockwise is a shorter throw. Use the arc adjustment slot to increase or decrease spray arc. Ensure the sprinkler is level and upright for consistent rotation. Thanks for watching. If this helped you better understand your sprinkler system, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It's free and help the channel grow. I post one helpful video every week, so you won't be overwhelmed. Got questions about setup or spray patterns? Drop them in the comments and I'm here to help. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching the MG Factor.